No, it's just so refreshing, you know, you have got it. Yeah. So here we are. That's the family of Kaunda. He had 9 children altogether.
Wow, he was a good man.
Yeah, so
He was progressive.
I'll go through
Very progressive.
what they do, those who are still alive, where they are. Yeah, so Kaunda, he was born from northern part of Zambia, the place called Chinsali, the newly created province, Muchinga province in Zambia. That's where Kaunda was born. Hence, the parents of Kaunda were from Nyansaland, by then which is called Malawi today. And then when they came, they settled in Luga Mission, which is Chinsali district. That's where Kaunda was born. That was 28 April 1924. He's still there, 95 years. He served this country for 27 years, from 1964 to 1991. This was the wife, known as Mama Betty. Mama Betty meaning mother of this country, because she became the first lady of this country when Kaunda became a president in 1964. In this family, the firstborn, they were blessed with this man here. His name is Panji. He's still alive. He's a politician. Second-born, another man, that's Dr. Waza, who is a medical doctor by profession. He's still alive. Third-born, another man, Major Wezi. This one was assassinated in 1986 due to politics. So he wanted to succeed his father, but he was so intelligent. And if the plan was successfully went as he planned, then the party unit was like to form government again under him. So jealously, some people, they killed him. That's how he died. Number 4, we have this one, another man. His name is Tilyenji Kaunda. Tilyenji is the current party president of UNIP. That's the party the father was leading. So that's Tilyenji. In English, it means, what shall we eat? That's the name of Tilyenji. Number 5, Masuzio. Masuzio is also a local name. He's late. He died in 1986 with HIV and AIDS. That's the father now announcing the death of the son, that my son died with HIV and AIDS. And it shocked everyone because it was something like a taboo to announce to die with such a disease. Since then, Kaunda became an ambassador of HIV and AIDS because of the son who died with HIV and AIDS. So the name itself, Masuzio, is a Kumbuka name meaning problems. He was named after what Kaunda was going through when he was born, and again he died with a problem. Number 6, Kaweche. Kaweche Kaunda is the man now who is taking care of the big man. That's Kaweche number 6. He's a businessman, also running an organization. Number 7, Musata Kaunda. Musata, she's a deputy ambassador in Canada. Musata, it means thank you. He break to become a girl in this family.
Long queue of boys.
All their boys, then number 6, number 7, a lady. So the family named us, they named that, thank you God for giving us a girl. Number 8 and 9, Kaunda was blessed with the twins. These are twins. These two were born the year Zambia got independence, 1964. So they're just old as Zambia is, 55. This was named after his colleague, Tanzanian President Kambarange Kaunda. So Julius Nyerere Kambarange, that's the name. Twin sister Cheswa Kaunda. Cheswa, it means broom, meaning all the problems that Kaunda was facing were swept away. She's a a civil servant at cabinet office within Lusaka here. So that's the family of Kaunda, 9 children. So those who are still alive in this picture, they are 7.